Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So we saw the sutras. Only 3 sutras. Visarjaniyasya sa sasajishoru atoror aplutat aplute. 3 sutras. Okay. We'll go see 3 more sutras probably. खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः खरवसानयोः I am splitting it into 2. खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः खरवसानयोः is Saptami, 7th case. Visarjaniyah, first case. So, Sutra says when Khar or Avasana follows, this becomes a Visarga. Sashti, whatever is in 6th case, will become Visarga. What is in 6th case, we don't know from this sutra. So, from another sutra, we have Khar. Khar comes from, Refa. Ru comes from another place. Ru, Refa. Refa becomes Visarga when followed by Khar or Avasana. Khar means Avasana means blank space. Viramo avasanam. I told the sutra. Viramo avasanam, blank space. Okay. So when blank space follows or when Khar follows, Refa becomes Visarga. So we have Shivar. Shivar plus okay, you don't need anything. You can have Ramya. We'll for now we'll save this. Shivar has nothing following. Shivar has nothing following. When nothing follows Shiva, the Refa becomes in Avasana, the Refa becomes Visarga. So I will change it to Visarga. Okay. Even if Ramya follows, it's there in Khar. Is it? Ramya is in Khar? Huh? Yes. Ramya is not in Khar. So, it will not come here now. We will have this, but anyway, we will see this Ramya later. Shivaha. Shiva becomes a Shivaha. Remember this. We will see this again later. So, for Shashastra we will take Shivaya. Shivaha. We will take another example. Namah Shivaya. We will take Namah Shivaya. So, Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. So, Namas becomes a Sasajisho Ruhu. Namaru. Shivaya. Then Ru Upadeshe Aj Anunasika It Namaha Shivaya. You can write the sutras. Upadeshe. Then here Sasashoruhu. In the right side you can leave a space for writing this sutras. So Namar Shivaya. At this point Refa is followed by Khar, Shar, Shar, Shar. It is there in Khar. Therefore, Refa becomes a Visarga. Shivaya. Namaha Shivaya. We did Namaha Shivaya, we made it into Namah Shivaya. Now we are trying to come back to Namah Shivaya. Yesterday we saw Namaha became Namar. Visarjani Yasya Saha. Visarga becomes Saha. Okay? Namah Shivaya. Then what happened? Yesterday. How? Only yesterday we did. Stoshchunaschu. Namah Shivaya. From here what we did is we made it Namas because of Visarjaniyasya Saha. Okay? Then it became Namash because of Stoho. Namah Shivaya it became. Okay? Now we are reverting that process. Okay. Next sutra, very simple sutra. Rori. 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 Very simple sutra this is. Ro. Ri. Rori. Ro is Raha. Ri. Raha. Ri. Ri is seventh case. Raha? Sixth case. So, Refa when followed by Refa, I am removing the Vivaktis. So, Refa when followed by Refa, when 6 followed by 7, what happens to 6? Is not said in the Sutra. Dhodhe Lopaha. From that, we have Lopa. So, from Dhodhe Lopa, we have this Lopa. So, Iko Yanachi. Same way, Lopaha. Refa when followed by Refa becomes a Lopa. The previous Refa becomes Lopa. Okay? Now, we'll have a Shivar Ramya. I took that. Shivar plus Ramya. Shivar plus Ramya. Ir plus ir. What happens? This ir gets dropped. Shiva Ramya. I will have this Shiva Ramya. Now, here, the example given here in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is Punar Ramate. Punaha Ramate. Punar Ramate you will have. Punar plus Punar plus Ramate. Again, this becomes Lopa. Puna plus Ramate. Okay. Shiva plus Ramya, Puna plus Ramate. I will leave this here for now. It's not a complete form. It's not complete form. We have to use another sutra. Okay. Before that, we saw Rori. There is another simple sutra like Rori. From where this Rori got the Lopa? This has nothing to do with Visarga. This has nothing to do with the Visarga Sandhi. But still, being a simple sutra, to add one more sutra to our list, I will just add. It's not one more sutra to our list. See, next sutra which I am going to bring uses this also, this idea also. So, I will give this sutra. Dhodhe Lopaha. Dhodhe Lopaha. Dhodhe Lopaha. Dhodhe Lopaha. Like Rori, this also says Daha De Lopaha. Means 6th case, 7th case, 1st case. Dakara, when followed by Dakara, One dakara becomes a lopa. One dakara gets a lopa. Okay. Now this is similar to Rory. This is further. We don't need any example here. This is just to show what happens. Okay. Now we'll take next sutra. ढलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः ढलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः ढलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घो अणः दीर्घोणः दीर्घो अणः becomes दीर्घोणः. Dirgha, you can say dirgho. Instead of dirgho, you can say dirgha. Okay? Now, dhalope is a 7th case. Purvasya, dirgha, anaha, 6th case. They have already won. This is 6th case. Purvasya. Purvasya, what is Purvasya? Before, whatever exists before, what is that? Anaha. Vishesham Sheshya, adjective and adjectified. Okay? Now, the sutra says, Dhalope. Dhalope means Dhakara, Refa, Lope. This is the nimitta. When Dhakara and Lefa, Lopa takes place, and which is followed by Dhakara, Refa, Lopa, then the previous, what is that? Anaha. An gets a dirgha. Okay? Purvasya anaha, an of dhalopa gets dirgha. An plus dhakara refa lope, underline an and say dirgha. We have Shiva plus Ramya. Here we had one Refa Lopa. So, and it is there in an. Is it in an? A, I, U. Not A, I, U, Rulru, Kevo, Ayo. Not that. A, I, U. Only that. Only in one sutra that an comes with respect to the second nakara. Here, in all the other places, it is only the first nakara. Okay? A, I, U. A follows. Therefore, this becomes a Shiva Ramya. Here also Puna Ramate. Okay? Shiva Ramya Puna Ramate. Then Ikara. For Ikara, we can have Harihi Ramyaha. Harihi Ramyaha. Harihi Ramyaha becomes Haris Visarjaniyasya Saha Ramyaha. Then Sasujjo Ruhu. Harir Ramyaha. Visarjaniyasya Saha Sasujjo Ruhu. Then now here Hari Ramyaha. Rory. Then here again current sutra. Dhalope purvasya dirghonaha. Hari Ramyaha. Dhalope purvasya dirghonaha. This is the form. Okay, so in that place, in the first sutra, Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyah. There we can do this. I will introduce you to the next stage. See, Shiva. It can be Shiva or Rama. Okay? Shiva plus Su. This Su is first case singular. Su is first case singular. Su, Aujas, Aukshas. In that Sup, it is first. So what happens? Shiva plus Upadeshaya Anunasikait Sakara. Okay? Shiva plus S. Then at this point, this is Pada. The whole thing is Pada. Because when does it become Pada? This is not Pada. This first portion is Pratipadika, the base word. And this is the suffix. When the base word and suffix come together, they are joined, it is Pada. Now it is Pada. The whole thing is Pada. Okay? This is in Padanta. Padanta, Sakara and Sajush Shakara becomes a Refa Sa Sajusho Ruhu Shiva. So you can say Sa Sajusho. Here Upadeshe. Okay? Then Refa is there. What happens now? There is no Rori. Huh? There is no Rori. Now what happens? Karavasanayor Visarjaniyah. So there is Avasana, there is space, blank space followed. So Karavasanayor Visarjaniyah makes it Visarga. Shivaha. You can replace it with Ramaha. Ramaha. You will have Ramaha. Shivaha, Ramaha, Krishna, etc. All the Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas will be like this. First case, singular will be like this. So this converting into Visarga, we call this Rutva Visarga. This is called Rutva Visarga. When Sakara becomes Refa and it becomes Visarga, I call this Rutva Visarga. So Rama plus S, then I can say Rutva Visarga, then it becomes Ramaha. I can just say Rutva Visarga. I don't need to explain the details. You get it? So only after understanding these sutras you can go to this shortcut. This is not a sutra, it's a shortcut of remembering the sutra. Otherwise you will say, what happened Rutva Visarga? Rutva Visarga means there is one sutra called Rutva Visarga, you know. So it is not Rutva Visarga, there is no sutra called Rutva Visarga. It's a shortcut for Sasajshuruhu and Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyah. Forgot to write Kharavasanayor. So with this we come to the end of the Visarga Sandhi. We will enter into this, with this we come to the end of 11th chapter also. We will enter the 12th chapter. We will introduce ourselves with the other things, the basic things which we need for processing the suffixes. So we will see that. Harihi Om.